Hi, this is Kara. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a data collection form for use with the Predisys program. To follow along, you will need to be logged into your company's home page. Once there, select Data Collection Library on the left-hand side under Documents. Next, select Fill out this form. This will bring us to the main page where we enter the data. Under NIPRO part number in the upper left, add the part number you're working on. Then select Tab, and these cells should automatically populate. Enter won't work. If the cells don't automatically populate, check to make sure you have the right part number. If you do, then contact your supervisor to tell them about the issue. On the right-hand side, we'll select Specifications. And what this does is check the main database to see that we have the most up-to-date information in the automatically populated cells. It looks like we do, so then we'll move down to the asterisk cells. Under Workstation, I'm going to select Quality Laboratory. And then in the lot number, I'm going to select or type in Screencast 23. And you'll add whatever your project is. On the inspector, I'm going to scroll up or down and find Predisys Test. You should select your name. Next, I'll select the mold ID number. Scrolling down to the middle of the page, you'll see the cavities. And in the first cavity, I'm going to put the number 1 and then select the ABL tab, which will automatically populate the numbers of the cavities. I can also use the letter A, and the numbers will turn to letters. So now we can start to add our data for each cavity. Supporting part documentation for the client starts with this data collection form, so it's very important to make sure that these records are accurate and up to date. As I enter data into the cavities, you can see that some cavities will automatically populate. Down below are a bunch of cells. These cells are the specifications for the parts, the maximum, minimums, targets, and averages. You'll also notice that there are red numbers in the cavities and red cells below. The red indicates that the data is out of spec. And if you scroll down, you'll see yellow cells as well. This means that the data is out of control. It is data, so we do need to submit it. So we're going to scroll back up to the top of the page and select the Submit button. Submit needs to be selected in order for the data to be saved. You'll then be prompted to add your username, and if it's already there, then scroll down to the signing. We're going to select Reject because we have data that's out of control and out of spec. Once you've selected Reject, add your password. Every time you create a new data collection form or revise one, you need to sign it. Once you've signed it, you'll see that our form has been submitted successfully. The next screen will bring up a task pane or traffic light summarizing the data. Anytime you see yellow or red cells, you will then need to submit a non-conforming material report. If all of our data is in conformance, this is what the task pane will look like, and you are completed. Now you know how to fill out a data collection form. Thanks for watching.